Hi, for today's teardown we have this. It is from my regular eBay dealer of old British aircraft parts. Not sure exactly what it is. It is called Housing, Fusing and Release number 1 Mark II. Stores reference 11A/4396. Serial number 3111. And made by the MBM Limited. So not sure if it is a fusing and release mechanism for some kind of bomb or thermal countermeasure or something like this. I did not find any information about it on the web. So it is made of a machined aluminum piece. Here on the top we have two push buttons which are called cocking and mechanical jettison, which I can actually press, but the cocking will not cock. Jettison will work, but does not much, I believe. We have here 12 contacts, spring-loaded contacts board. Reference number 5D1804, and they seem to be silver coated spring-loaded contacts. Other side we have this thing on the hinge, which is called 5D1954, and we have what seems to be a plug with two contacts. Here you can see two wires going in. Other side we have two flush contacts number 5D1957, labeled by MBM, and this is actually on a very strong spring, and it can move in. Other side is just a blank panel, and here maybe the most important, we have a big rectangular hole with what seems to be contacts on the side, here and some release mechanism, release hook here all at the bottom, and here also some kind of a hook. So I will remove the screws and we will have a look at the contents. So here we are. So before I remove this cover, you can notice it seems not to be really watertight, so it does not look to be designed to be attached under a wing of an aircraft. So maybe it is rather to designed to go in a bomb compartment, bombing bay or something like this. I'm not sure at all. Here is what we have inside, in fact not much. You can see here the big compartment. Here we just have interconnects to these connectors, the two wires going to this part here. Contacts here which are spring loaded. One more contact here, and on this side more contacts here. A switch here which is actuated when this part is pressed in. I must not do anything wrong and have it ejecting at my face with these very strong springs, by the way. So when it is pressed in, this contact will be opened. We must have sliding contacts here, probably to do the continuity with contacts here at the end, the two springs, and here some kind of a release mechanism. Probably we have a solenoid in this. I can see two wires going in, little piston here, tamper or something like this, and the two external buttons. So this part here will not move at all, and this actually can move like so, but it will not do anything in here. Not sure how it is supposed to work because it seems pretty strong and so this will release like such and this will do nothing. So not sure exactly how it is supposed to work. I believe at some point this part should move, but it does not seem to move at all. Oh yes, like so. In fact this must move like that. Yes. So it is really strong. Or maybe after this you can keep it in a secured position like such. Yes. Or maybe it is the ejector mechanism. So when you press whatever goes in here, it will push this lever in place, and after this it will be released by the solenoid here. Yes, seems to be the deal. Interesting. So this is the release mechanism, so it will probably eject the part which is located in here. Break-in contacts here on the sides and here also, maybe at the bottom. But I have no idea of what goes in here. I did just notice here we have 4 big holes probably for attaching the device. Yes, we can see marks here of washers probably. So this was probably bolted in with these 4 holes to something. And whatever goes in this is released by this solenoid, and at the same time you transfer some current in it to fuse it, probably. Not really sure, and then not sure what this is for. It looks like it is designed to go out of the way, so maybe it is for maintenance purpose. Plug some kind of device in this. Quite weird. So this is a very strong aluminium. You can see here again the MBM brand. And it is all. Really. So if anybody has any idea of what it could be for, it will be much appreciated, because for now I have no clue. It is a weird shape, so I do not think it is for dropping a bomb. But for what else, I really can't tell. So, thanks for watching, bye bye.